You need to have new stories in order not to be trapped in the past. Destiny does not favor anyone. It will not always treat you unfairly. Even if you feel ordinary, don't forget that you are unique. I hope that after experiencing hardships, you will still face tomorrow positively. 你要有新故事，才不会沉溺于过去。命运不会厚待谁，也不会一直亏待你。生得再平凡，也別忘了你是限量版。希望你歷經苦楚，依舊能積極地面對明天。你要有新故事，先唔會沉溺於過去。命運唔會厚待誰，亦都唔會一直虧待你。生得再平凡，都唔好忘記你自己嘅限量版。希望你歷經苦楚，依舊能積極咁面對明天。